Good afternoon. My name is Tanu Burmani. I'll be your examiner today for the IELTS Speaking Test. Can you please tell me your full name?
My name is Nurdeep Singh.
And what should I call you?
You can call me by my nickname Noor.
Can I see your identification?
Yes, here it is. You can see.
Let's talk about your hobbies. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have one hobby called reading books. I definitely like reading books because it increases my enthusiasm whenever I reading book.
When did you start doing this hobby?
Repeat, ma'am.
When did you start doing this hobby?
I vividly remember when I completed my books because I have a huge free time.
How much time do you spend on hobbies?
Frequently, I spend 1 or 2 hours on my hobbies because I think it is a good time for spending on those hobbies because I can learn several things from that.
Is it important to have hobbies?
Yes, definitely. I think that it is a significant for people to having a hobbies because they can learn several things from that and they can also arouse their interest in new hobbies when they know about their have any hobbies.
Let's talk about weather. What kind of weather do you like the most?
Well, I like rainy weather most because at that time I can feel several things such as a good and cold weather, and it also provide me relief from summer.
Does the weather affect your mood?
Yes, sometimes the weather affect my mood because whenever the rainy season and at that time I was hungry, so I can eat the junk food with the help of weather, and it definitely affects my mood.
What is the typical weather like in your hometown?
In my hometown, usually summer weather and sometimes winter weather are typical because my country is a diverse country and there are also several kinds of weather such as rainy weather or cold weather.
Now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then I'll ask you to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. You can also make notes if you wish. If you want to book your वन ऑन वन स्पीकिंग टेस्ट विद मी सो बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड करो या फिर आप वेबसाइट पे जाकर भी बुक कर सकते हो अपने टेस्ट को। शॉप सेक्शन में जाओ, स्पीकिंग इंटरव्यू विद द टीचर, अपने स्लॉट को बुक करो एंड गिव योर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट। अगर आपको अपनी राइटिंग इवैल्यूएट करानी है तो अपने राइटिंग टास्क 1 और टास्क 2 को शॉप सेक्शन में जाकर अपलोड करो और रियल एग्जाम टीचर आपको देंगे डिटेल करेक्शंस प्लस अ फीडबैक। Please start speaking now.
Well, there are several times when I gave gift to someone. However, today I would like to describe one particular time when I gave a gift to my best friend Rahul. It happened approximately 1 year ago when I completed my senior secondary education. At that time, my best friend Rahul, who demanded an laptop because he want to pursue his study in the abroad with the help of online classes, but he do not have enough money for purchasing an laptop, and I plan to buying an laptop with the help of some applications such as Flipkart and Amazon. And I spot many opportunities such as on the Diwali occasion I purchased an laptop approximately on 50% discount, which saved a hefty amount of money. And I planned a party for my best friend on the particular birthday day. And when the birthday was come, I make a laptop and I purchased a laptop and I wrap it fully and I gave to my best friend. And when they saw it, he felt very happy, such as he is on cloud nine. And he says several things to me because he really needed this laptop for attending his online classes. And I also think that he definitely become a well-known person in the future with the help of that laptop. And he also wanted to do some codings in the laptop. And now I give laptop to them, and they can start their better future with the help of those things. On the other hand, he also say me he also say me to that this laptop provides several things to that, such as they can now started their new career in the photography sector because they want to become a better person, or also want to create a good future in the photography sector, so they can edit several pictures in the laptop. And I felt also very happy, and he also felt very happy.
Great. Let's talk about giving and receiving gifts. In your country, when do people usually give gifts?
I think in my country there are several occasions in which people can give gift to someone, such as on birthday party. On that time, people frequently purchase some sweets to another people, or sometimes cake also. But frequently people purchase some gifts on the most famous festival in India, such as Diwali or many more.
Do you think expensive gifts are always better?
Yes, sometimes I think that expensive gifts are better because expensive gift was created with the good quality, which I analyze from many apps or from many stores. But this is sometimes not true because sometimes the companies do not provide a good quality with the help of expensive money.
Why do people enjoy receiving gifts?
I think it is totally dependent on the ideology of the people. Some people like to receive gifts because they want a free gift from someone so they can create memories with that people. For example, in India, a significant number of people always like receiving gifts so they can create a good memories with that people, and they can also share several things to them.
Are celebrations important in people's life?
Yes, definitely. Celebrations are a significant part of people's life because at that time they can create memories, and they also able to enjoy their days at that time. So they can increases their enthusiasm, and they also do several things or several activities in India because there is several occasions.
How do people celebrate differently now compared to the past?
I think in the past people are mostly free, and there is a not any work. But nowadays people are involved in the rat race, and they always want to earn some money. So they involved in several things, and they do not have enough time to attending lots of things such as any occasion.
Would you like to add something?
No, ma'am, do not listen the question properly.
Okay, let me repeat again. How do people celebrate differently now compared to the past?
Yes, I think people in the past celebrate with the whole family and their whole relatives, but nowadays people are become more isolated, and they want to celebrate occasions with their only their small family, and do not like to invite their friends or their family members or sometimes their relatives also.
Do traditional celebrations still hold value in modern society?
Yes, definitely. I think that traditional occasions or traditional festivals are good, and now hold a vital thing because such as festivals like Diwali or many more in India, this is a traditional festivals which was celebrated in the centuries or decades ago. But nowadays it has equal importance because many people like to celebrate them with a full of their confidence and their maturity level.
So that is the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much, Noor. Okay, Noor, so I'll give you a quick feedback. The entire feedback will be updated on your portal. So what I observed that you scored around 6 in your speaking test. One thing was that there were frequent grammar errors, frequent mistake with tenses and sentence structure. जिसके लिए you need more accuracy and variety in grammar. Like you said, when was come, when was came, right? When they saw it. So pronunciation errors were they. He say, when you're telling a story in a cue card, you should talk about the past tense. When I told him, when he told him, not when he say me. This is incorrect. Okay, so there were frequent grammar errors in your cue card topic. And pronunciation also. Some words were unclear. People, saw, right? So it's saw. Try to speak more naturally. Practice करो इन words पे जो आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये मेरे incorrect है. इंटोनेशन पे वर्क करो. जब आप अपने सेंटेंस को एंड करते हो, इट लुक्स लाइक कि आप आगे बोलने वाले हो, बट इवेंचुअली यू स्टॉप. सो वो नहीं लगना चाहिए. Part 1 answers were very short. Try to expand it more. Part 1 need to be 2 to 3 sentences instead of one word or one line sentence. Okay. Part 2 time was better. It was good. Part 3 answers need to be more developed. At least 4 to 5 sentences hone chahiye. Avoid giving only one idea. Try to add more reasons and comparisons. One most important thing is don't copy the question directly into the answer. That means what I saw is whenever I'm asking you a question and you said yes, and the same question you are repeating, try to paraphrase it. Okay? So your estimated band will be 6.
Yeah.
Okay, then keep on practicing. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay.
Bye.